Hi, good evening everyone. This is Khyati Rupani and I am the founder and nutritionist at balancenutrition.in. Well, today what has happened here is a very tiny little thing. I have come live later than I would have. So, what I would want to tell you today is that today we have been invited to speak about my own journey of weight loss, to speak about how I lost 42 kgs myself, and to take it forward and make sure that all of you benefit from this. So, hi Jyoti, how are you? We will be going live on Insta with that particular guest. That guest is a community member, and they are many mommies out there who were 90 kgs plus like me and who are right now struggling for weight. Hi Bitty. Hi everyone, even on the Balanced Nutrition group. Today the question answer session will also happen, and you are free to ask me any question till I see Namrata, who's coming live, I think, very shortly. Till then, can I in fact know if anyone has any questions regarding PCOS, regarding weight loss, regarding anything. Yesterday we were discussing about weight loss plateau. Yesterday we were discussing about thyroid. Also we were discussing about what is the best option for dinner. So if I have to share with you what my dinner tonight looks like, or what dinner I have. Hi Pooja, how are you? Today dinner was a very rush affair because we had called 2 people to office. Yes, right, 40 people, 50 people work at the Balanced Nutrition office, and that is where I think we are going live, and we will have to wait for Namrata, who has to come online. Yes, we are waiting for Namrata, and no, Namrata has not yet come live. Okay, there she is.
It's the gut that plays a very important role, and my guest today is someone who is a pro at these things. So I'm looking forward to have her with me. Let me try and send her an invite. I don't think she's around as of now, but she'll be there with us. But in case you have any queries about how food can help you during this pandemic, and yes, I mean it, a lot of people have been talking about immunity building and immunity.
I am trying to send her an invite
to fight coronavirus. Why not work on ourselves? They say that there's 70% of what you eat and 30% of what you work out.
How long does it take to lose 5 kgs following your diet? Bitty, anything between 40 to 45 days.
And while we were doing, going through the process of what Rangoli should be all about, since women today have reached various, I don't know, you date and you find a woman there. Please ping us. We will answer all your queries. Hi Khyati, good evening. How are you?
Hi Namrata, I'm glad to be on Unimo, and you should be glad because you're going to be on audio on our Facebook page as well.
Wow, that's fantastic.
Yes,
while I was waiting for you, I was telling my viewers that during this pandemic, food is playing a very important role, whether you're becoming a master chef, cooking various things, or food playing a role in terms of how the gut is very important for the right message to reach the brain. And I was telling you, I was telling them that I have a pro with me today. So Khyati, why don't you take us through your Rangoli story?
Sure, but since you have said about the pandemic, and since you've spoken about how everyone is becoming a master chef, I must tell you that we have about 12,000 clients who were at Balanced Nutrition, and many of the Momo mommies as well. But I must tell you that it has been a very different and a very positive move by especially women looking at nutrition, and they were all very worried about the health of the husband, because COVID kya, any pandemic or for that matter any lifestyle disorder can just hit you if you're not eating wisely. Also the lockdown has given them a little bit of time to ensure that you are not going out, you are not eating out, especially the first lockdown. Remember, the entire country was just shut, where even Amazon was shut and delivery was shut. So at that time is when we realized that no, it is good to eat healthy. And of course, I must tell you that right now also, since we are not going out, we are in fact rather than building our immunity, I sometimes say we are losing it, because A, we are in a very sterile environment. B, we are not going out. So, everybody, train mein people sneeze on you, people cough on you. You get immune to all that. That's the Mumbai local. That's our train. That's the road. Even if you're in a car, to shout at the auto wala, you are putting your window down and you're getting out and, you're playing with the traffic. Also, the most important nutrient, vitamin D, is missing. Our kids are missing out on that. So, I mean, it's a great opportunity that, Unimo has invited me. And yes, definitely, guys, take care of your vitamin D levels. Make sure if there is a small window or a balcony, go take some steps out there. Make sure you have a timetable to get up. And yes, immunity is a big must. Look at the rains outside. Adrak is your best friend. Cinnamon is your best friend. Yalong is your best friend. Keep having hot water and keep making sure you add honey and haldi to it, and you're good to go. Right? So I think that was a big message that had to go to all the people who are watching us right here. So yes, there is weight gain. We did a poll. So there was weight gain. There was, I don't know, every possible issue that, one could encounter. It was right there. And yes, I have training and moms who's replied something over there. She said, I've been a PN client and my sugar levels are really under control.
Yes. That's Ritvika, one of our very active members of Momo.
Yes.
So, Kathy, was diet and nutrition always something that you wanted to do, or what was your story behind getting into, giving birth to your baby, balanced nutrition?
Right. So I have two kids, one kid is Trisha and the second is Balanced Nutrition. And the both of them, they're twins actually. So I basically was, I was fat always. I was never worried about how I look because, bade hoke doctor banna tha. And things were good.
Kathy, I'm sorry I'm interrupting you. Can you just move the camera because you're a little on the side? Just move your cameras.
Better now?
This is better.
Awesome.
Better.
Right.
Yes,
so
sorry. Yeah.
No. So I wanted to be a doctor, like any other, I think, science, anyone who pursues biology and those kind of subjects. I wanted to be a doctor, but what happened was that in my year we had CET, and Maharashtra CET was the first year. And I happened to get a rank where I got admission in Dhule. So at that time my dad was like, no, where is this place? So then came dentistry, I was like looking into people's dirty mouths. No. What about saving lives? And what about now, dentures? Then I was like, okay, next is physiotherapy. I was like, I hate exercising. What about making people exercise? No, not my cup of tea. Then somewhere nutrition came in and I was very arrogant. I was like, who cares? I'm going to do this for 1 year and apply for CET again the next year. But no, it was pure love, it was physiology, it was biochemistry, and it was all connected to food and drug nutrient interaction. So I didn't have to, operate on people. I didn't have to, actually cut people off. I could do everything intelligently. So yes, we mastered in, renal nutrition, where we have even today kidney failure cases. We have CKD, we have liver cases. And yes, I got into nutrition, but at the same time, there is a big twist here, Namrata. As I said, I was always fat. I never worried about looks, and when you're the doctor material, you have those bushy eyebrows, you have an upper lip, and all that was like a part of my personality. I used to be cool about it. But yes, the eyebrows became really bushy and the upper lip was becoming a moustache. That is when I realized something is wrong, and I got married. It was about 19 or 20 hours of work, and I was really loving my job at Leelavati. I was 23 and a half, and I think I think I still hold that record. I was the youngest chief dietitian of any 5-star hospital at that particular age ever. So things moved on, and बच्चा पैदा करना है, चलो, you know, you're like 27, 26, and then since you have a gynac, you have all those facilities around you, आपको लगता है नहीं एक बार जाके देखाओ, मिल लेते हैं, and at that age you don't want to realize कि तुम्हारे periods ठीक है कि नहीं, you know. So then she said, why don't you just get a nice sonography done? और तब पता चला that, oh, there were cysts in the ovary, and it hit me like a rock, and that is when I stepped on the weight scale, and that time it was showing me 69, 70 on a bad day. And I was like, okay, तो ये भी हो सकता है, you know, this is happening to me in life. And then there was a series of treatment told to me. You have to take hormone replacement से लेके, people told me go to IVF. That is when I think I started practicing and being a real dietitian. You know, hospital में तो, you know, you have a patient, it's a bypass, they are going to listen to you, they are in the intensive care, or you have somebody who's in coma, उसको क्या पता. So then it completely changed the outlook, you know. I lost a lot of weight, conceived naturally, and that lost weight and conquering PCOS was also a lot of books, a lot of writing, a lot of studying. You know, I doubt there is any PCOS forum I am not a member of, and any gynac in India who, you know, balanced nutrition is not probably connected to for PCOS. So there were these notes, you know, we were taking, and there were these I actually made like a whole diet program right there, you know, where I said, oh, you know, I'm fat and I love food, so if somebody is going out and if somebody has to sit and watch, you know, your face, I'm like, I'm not going to do that, I need food. So that's when I played around, got out a restaurant guide. I like a glass of wine, you know, occasionally, तो तब alcohol guide निकला, and thanks to the last, I think, after that Trisha came into the being, and, you know, there was another, after Trisha came, I was 99 kgs again, because, you know, you tend to have post-pregnancy weight gain and hormonal complications, and you're touching thyroid, and you're touching diabetes. तो ये सब जो हो रहा था, it was completely, again, took me off guard. Then your little one comes in your hand, you don't want to, you know, bother, you want to just be yourself. But no, I think, you know, when I picked up Trisha when she was 3.5 months and my wrist started paining, I used to cry. And you know, other mothers used to be these fit mothers जो नीचे जाती थी, and, you know, they used to carry that what do you call it, that the thing you push the kid in, I forgot now.
The stroller.
Yes, she's 11. So the stroller, and I'm like, oh God, look at me, how am I? I'm pathetic. तब जाके I said, okay, let's take care of yourself again. And then पूरा post pregnancy weight loss हुआ, and that is when I think we you know, kind of reached an equilibrium. And then, you know, I started getting into these groups called Momo. There was another very big group. There were a lot of these mommy groups that came into being, and they had similar issues like me. Postpartum pregnancy weight, breastfeeding nahi ho raha hai, what are galactogogues, when is the right time to lose weight post pregnancy, and I used to keep answering them. And that is when, you know, one lady, you know, from the group said, hi Khyati, can you help me, I'm in Singapore, वहाँ की dietitians नहीं समझती है, they are into Singapore cuisine, whereas you will be the Indian cuisine. So I think balanced nutrition today serves about 72 countries, and Indians, yeah, we are basically Indians. और जो इंडियंस होते हैं ना, तो दे वांट टू ईट देयर रोटी सब्जी वंस अ डे, एंड द रेस्ट ऑफ द डेज, यू नो, oh, today is Mexican, oh, today is Thai, oh, tonight's Chinese. So, you know, our clients are like that. And we are still R&Ding, we are still researching, we still come out with new concepts, we try and make things very practical, and that is what BN is today. We are about, you know, so जब lockdown हुआ, we were about 71 people sitting at office, and the next day I was like, wow, 71 branches of balanced nutrition have opened overnight. You know, so things are good, nothing's worrisome. Google calls are helping, you know, and we are doing our work. It's all good.
I think, in a way, it's become a little easier as far as it comes to diet during the pandemic, because one thing, we stopped eating out. Secondly, home cooked food है, you can balance out जो करना है, you can make your alteration. Resources limited है, तो आपके पास choices नहीं है ज़्यादा.
यार नम्रता, ये गलत है. You know, जब मैं grocery shopping जाती हूँ ना, so there is a big counter of ready to eat over. I generally, I'm the last person to go, ठीक है ना? And even they tell me that you're, see, generally as a nutritionist you have your little boos, and Neha knows I'm a little picky and I'm a little particular. वो आ जाता है. I think it comes with the fact that you're holding or you're running a brand, and you want to give more than the best to people. So so I go, and then the ready to eat is all done, finished, wrapped up. The bread is all gone. Okay, all the easy stuff, like fry karna hai, frozen stuff, all gone, huh? And then they say, yaar, Khyati, vegetables hi nahi mil rahe. There was a big chunk of vegetables lying there. So, it was funny. And I'm like, aisa nahi karte. You have to eat very well, because you at least were stepping out. तुम दिन में 3000 steps तो करते थे. Now it is 500 just by doing झाड़ू पोछा alternate day. You are not entitled to eating extra. पहले डब्बा was like 2 roti and 1 sabzi, and if you're feeling good you will take a dahi, otherwise you will say chuck it, I'm late. Now it is 3 rotis, it's 2 fancy sabzis, and today I was in a mood to cook some dokla, Gujarati of course, so I was in a mood to cook some dokla, and then I cooked another papad, and then there was this 4 PM, अरे यार कुछ fry कर दे, देख बारिश हो रही है.
बारिश हो रही है बाहर, तो पकोड़े खाने हैं.
Exactly my point.
Yeah, I know.
But that is what worries us more. And when a client tells me that I lockdown, I'm taking a break, I say, why you'll take a break? This is the best time to take a diet. Because when will you do it otherwise? There's so much time you have. Chalo, work from home is making it a little more difficult for a lot of people. Connection nahi hai, you're cooking, you're doing everything. So we have come out with these quarantine recipes, jo all in one ho, jo quickly kha sake. Even cravings, we have our own answers for that, and I think that is what is making it go, because otherwise it's a very vulnerable time. Upka time. Because you will gain weight. Today when you see someone after a couple of months, you'll be like, tera pet bahar aa raha hai. And then he'll be like, what do? I am eating. And wo Swiggy wale bhi, I saw their interview, the founder of Swiggy says, we haven't sold these many desserts since the foundation of Swiggy, the first day of Swiggy, and abhi tak, and we sold them in 2 months. So we think we are entitled to it, but nahi. COVID is coming to a person who's obese faster, to a diabetic faster, to a hypertensive faster. And we are okay with diabetes, and now we are in lockdown because of COVID. Aisa nahi hota. Diabetes kills 100%,
Absolutely.
So yes.
Yeah, so a lot have been, everybody's been talking about immunity. Everybody's been talking about, I'm a very conscious person when it comes to food. And,
Okay.
Honestly, I've not missed a single day of workout during the lockdown. I think, in fact, I've got better during the lockdown than what I was before, because you have to pass your time in some or the other way, and I prefer doing that. But given all of this, a lot of people have been laying emphasis on going back to the basics.
Yeah.
Log kala peene lage hain wapas. People are doing a lot of Giloy is playing a very important role today, which was never. It was always existing, but people never used it. Or like you said, hot water. पहले लोगों को लगता था हम क्यों पिए, but अब आज WHO और आयुष बोल रहे हैं तो सब पी रहे हैं. So, what do you think post-pandemic would be your way forward in terms of people who are taking a diet? Will you be planning something which is more immunity boosting based? या फिर you have a different suggestion for people, because I think बहुत easy है लोगों के लिए इस टाइम पे food पे emphasis देना, क्योंकि वही एक चीज है जो आपको अंदर से it's strengthening you to fight not only COVID. I'm talking about any kind of allergies or anything.
Right.
So, what is your take? Is balanced nutrition working on, or having like a lockdown diet, or having like COVID immunity boosting diet? Are you guys planning something on those lines? Our viewers would love to know, because if there is, I'm sure a lot of us would be interested in it.
Yes. So what happened was that a lot of clients or a lot of people who, I think there was a mic issue. Okay, now I think it's okay. So a lot of people, who actually wanted to do a program, definitely will not keep this as their first priority, because there are other expenses to look at, and then there are salary cuts, and then there are a lot of other things that they have to worry about. So what I decided was that we will come out with these small 1 day, 3 day, 10 day plans where at least in 3 days you are laying a foundation of their diet. So we have a 3-day immunity cleanse where we are teaching them, but then wo 3 days mein you're not going to be like renewed and you're not going to be, this has to be, see, everything, I tell everyone that for any change at the cellular level or at the level of the body to happen, the most important is only one thing, 90 days. If you are able to sustain that change for now, अब तो देखो लॉकडाउन भी नॉर्मल लगने लगा है. Like if there is an alternate day office, तो हमको लगता है अरे आज ऑफिस जाना है. Like why is the husband going out today, and otherwise, oh God, my husband has a holiday today. Why? So human beings are all about habit. And 90 days, if you're able to stick to something, so even if you're doing an immunity, if you do it for 2 days or if you do it for 1 day, या आपको लगता है wow, things are going to change. No. 90 days of, yes, going back to your roots, going back to traditions is something I always keep talking about. हमारी दादी देखी है, 90, 85, and they are like rock solid. Let's talk and look at us when we are 75 or 60, 65. है ना? So what about them? What happened was at that time they were eating local in the real terms. है ना? First of all, there was no washing machine. Isn't it? There was even atta sometimes, okay, our dadis had that to go and jaake chakki se atta leke aao, but the generation before that, right from the fact that, they had to even struggle to take water out. There was so much energy output कि अब हम वो कैरी कर रहे हैं. तो हम डिबेट करते हैं कि यार वो घी तो इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट घी कैसे इंपॉर्टेंट होगा? She needed those calories because she was not eating the pizza. There was no bread. And see, ghee has saturated fat. Your cheese has saturated fat. Your butter has saturated fat. आप यार सुबह नहीं बोल सकते कि मैं घी वाली रोटी खाऊंगी और रात को मैंने पिज्जा खाया. Oh God, मेरा weight loss क्यों नहीं हो रहा? और oh, why am I looking so fluffy? और oh, why am I so plump? Okay, or oh, why my thyroid is touching the sky? That is happening because there is no balance, right? Even after delivery, there is always a battle of laddus, ghee laddus, isn't it? Come on, you know what? Those 40 days when the mother in India was on bed is because she had tasks which today none of us would even fathom completing in a week. Yeah, right from the fact that khud rotiyan banao, sometimes take them to the field to your husband, come back, kapde dho, jhadu, katka, and the houses were big and there was no way this lady would have not been able to digest those things. And then when it comes to your kid, uska nappy, tabhi to disposable nappies nahi tha. So the physical output was so much. And then they were eating that minus your biscuit, minus your bread, minus your preservative rich food. तो कैसे, मतलब that is why the basics are counted, but the basic can't be, you can't have that kada in the morning and then say आज बहुत थक गए, today you know what, get the bread. Okay, bread निकला, छोले है कल का, very good, उसमें हम थोड़ा क्रीम डालेंगे, we are going to revamp it a little bit, हम थोड़ा पुलाव बना लेंगे, पनीर डाल दो, everything easy is all fattening. Then you're getting ready to eat sauces, pizza gravy, you're getting your chana gravy, and then you're eating those ready to eat gravies. How is it going to help? You're loading your body with preservatives. So that is where the equations of lockdown eating were going haywire, and I think a lot of our clients are now understanding and are quite at it. Ki nahi, this is right.
I think there's a technical issue, guys, and we are going to have her back.
Right.
Kathy, I think there is a little technical issue in your end.
I am seeing you revolving now on screen. Are you seeing the same? Because
Kathy, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yes. We are back.
I'm unable to hear you, Kathy.
Oh, I think now I have stopped now. Hi Vibha, hi Rinku, how are you? Yes, I think I was losing, Namrata, and I think I've just, Rajkumari, hi, I hope you didn't miss much. we were talking a lot about immunity. Yes, I think we are back.
Yes, Kathy, tell me.
You know, Instagram as an app is updating. So there are a lot of glitches that happen when even I do my lives. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I know. It's okay, it's all right.
I know.
Yes, I can.
I think there is a 3-second slag.